Hello friends, welcome to Saho Studies. In this video, we are going to see how we can sort a table by a column name with the help of order by clause in Spark SQL. So in this exercise, what I am going to do, I am just creating this table with the help of a create table command. This is the name of the table, and I am defining 6 columns and its data types. Once this column gets created, what I am just doing, I am inserting some records in it. Once the record gets inserted, so what I am going to do, I am going to order this table with the help of a order by clause. And how we are going to order it? We are going to order it based on a column, and we can order with the help of ascending order and descending order. So I will show you how can we sort a table with the help of an order by clause in ascending order, in descending order. Both that column is of an integer type and column of a string type. So let's go to data bricks and do this exercise. Let me create a notebook. Let me name it as a order by. Connect this with our running cluster. Let me create a table. So in the previous exercise, we have created a table. I will going to copy the code and I will change the name of the table. So this is the code for creating a table. Let me change the name. Let me run it. This table has been created successfully. Let's insert some records in it. So we need to create the insert statement. I have already created it. Let me copy it and paste here. Let me run it. Okay, the records are inserted. So let me do a select star from. So these are the same records which we have inserted here. I think there are duplicate records are there. Okay. Maybe this table I have created previously and I have just inserted some records in it. That's why same records I have inserted. So no worries, the records are there. Now let me sort it with the help of an order by clause. Okay, so let me sort it first the column which is of an integer type. So how the column will going to sort? In the ascending order from lowest to highest, and in the descending order it will going to sort by highest to lowest. So select star from. This is the table. Order by which table? AP salary. Let me run it. So if you don't provide ascending and descending here, no, so by default it will consider as an ascending order. That's why first it is getting the lowest value and then it is getting the highest value. Let me do ascending, then we can able to figure it out what I am just saying. Here, let's do ascending order. So how ascending order will going to work? It will arrange the table with the help of this column in ascending order from lowest to highest, because this is an integer type column. Let me do it in descending order. we can see it is starting from highest to lowest, because this descending order how it will going to sort. If a column is of a integer type, it will sort from highest to lowest. Now let's do a order by on a column which is of a string type, and let me give AP name. So we can see here we have ordered this table with the help of this column name. This is of a string type. We didn't provide any ascending or descending, so by default it has considered as a ascending order. That's why the column, this name column has been sorted from A to J. That's why I is coming first, then J, then M, then S, like this. Now let me do ascending order. Ascending order will do the same thing. I would just do this exercise so that you can able to make a picture that what is the ascending order. Same, I, then J, then M, then N, then S. Ascending order sort a column of a string type from A to Z. Let me sort it with descending order. So in the descending order, how it will going to sort? It will going to sort from Z to A. Let me run it. We can see first Y is there, then S is there, then M is there, then J is there, and then last I is there. So in this way we have seen how can we sort a table with the help of a group by clause on a particular column. Column could be of integer type, column could be of string type. So let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.